Simple note entry. Next, we're going to put in notes. If you're using a laptop, you will need to change the note entry key commands to the laptop set. Click on the Simple Note icon from the main tool palette. This puts you into Simple Note input mode. From the Simple pull-down menu at the top of the screen, select Simple Entry Options, then Edit Keyboard Shortcuts. Now, from this drop-down menu, select Laptop Shortcut Table. Click OK to return to the score. Before starting, you may want to zoom in on the top system. Click on the eighth note icon in the note palette. You'll see an eighth note cursor in the pickup measure. Type the letters G, A, B for the first three notes. In the next measure, type the number 5 on the number pad, or if using a laptop, the number 5 in the number row. Notice the note caret changes to a quarter note. Now type the letter C to input that note. Type a period to add the dot to the quarter note. Type the number 4. Notice again that the cursor is an eighth note and the eighth note icon is selected in the note palette. Try each of the numbers 1 through 8 to see the corresponding note value. You can always tell which value you select from the note caret and the note palette. Select the eighth note value again and type G, A, B. Select the quarter note value and type D. The next measure starts with a quarter rest. The quarter value should still be selected, so simply type 0 to input a rest of the currently selected duration. 0 for 0 notes. Select a 16th note value and type the note names for the next 4 notes. Type T for tie. Then select the quarter note value and type C. Hit the right arrow key to move to the next measure. Notice Finale fills in the necessary rests. Select eighth note and type the D and A. Now, hold down Shift and type the up arrow key to shift the cursor up an octave. Type the F. Then input the rest. When you're typing notes into Finale, Finale will always select the closest pitch to the current cursor position. So if you had typed an F before shifting up the octave, you would have selected the F an octave too low. The next note value is an eighth note triplet. Put in the first eighth note. Now type 9 on your numpad, or for laptop users, the number 9 in the number row. The number 9 is the last note value and represents triplet and other tuplet values. Finish typing the remaining notes in the triplet. This automatically changes the remaining rest in the triplet to the correct pitch. Type the eighth note F. Then change the note value to a quarter note. Type the D. Notice that Finale automatically creates the tie over the bar line for you. Change the note value to eighth note and type 0 to input the rest, followed by a D. Now type the plus key to add a sharp to the note. Input the next note and flat this note with the minus key. Finish inputting the notes in this measure. Notice that once an accidental has been placed, it will remain throughout the measure. Type N for natural to change a note to a natural. If you have a MIDI keyboard interfaced with your computer, you can use that to input pitches rather than typing letters. Finish measure 5 using the information you have learned. You can either type the pitches or use the MIDI keyboard for pitches.